Good morning, children. Very good morning. Very good morning, Siddhi, Utkarsha, Sneha. Yes, Sai Prasad. Very good morning. Bacho, I'm just waiting, okay? Just 2 minutes, 3 minutes we'll wait and then we'll start, okay? And I'm sorry for yesterday. इसमें मेरा गलती कुछ नहीं है. Actually power cut हुआ. And you know na, if there is no electricity, no Wi-Fi also don't work. So मेरा गलती तो नहीं है. So that's why I cancel my class. Usually है ना MIDC area में Thursdays power cut will be there. That's why every Thursday I go to academy. But unluckily yesterday the power cut हुआ. Reasons मुझे भी पता नहीं. I'm sorry for that. Yeah, enough of waiting. Children, shall we start? Yeah. Now, in the last lecture, we started our syllabus. The actual syllabus of NEET we started. Good morning. Vignesh Vijay, very good morning. In the last class, we actually started हमारा syllabus. पहले classes में I just took only introduction, which is required for this chapter. But yesterday's, that means last class में the actual NEET syllabus में the zoology में the first chapter is nothing but what? Animal kingdom. That animal kingdom I started. And animal kingdom, it is divided into, can anyone tell बच्चों? It is divided into, can anyone tell? Minor phylums, and next one is what? Major phylums. And NEET syllabus में we have to discuss about only major phylums. Can anyone tell बच्चों? 13 students are there. 13 में any one student, how many major phylums are there बच्चों? Yes, very nice. So 11 major phylums are there. And very important thing is how the animals are divided into various phylums. Yes, for example, I am there. I wanted to divide all the biology students into 3 groups. How I'll divide bachcho? For example, one batch I will create the students who are very sharp, like very good, and they all will come in the first batch. And the students who are like middle, that means they are not like super intelligent, but they are very hard working. Then what happened? Second group, for example, third group, thoda slow learners will be there. Any class में some slow learners will be there. इसको special attention चाहिए. For example, how I'll teach in the batch number 1, if I teach in batch number 3, बहुत problems आएगा, because ना they are the students, they want more revision. इसमें फॉर एग्जाम्पल बैच नंबर 1 में इफ आई एक्सप्लेन ओनली वंस they can understand. Batch number 2 if I explain twice they will understand, whereas batch number 3 में they need more repetition. Understand? उसको थोड़ा पीछे उसको पीछे पढ़ना है, understanding it. So उसके लिए group, that means see, if I am doing groups, I am following some strategy like that. If animal kingdom, इतना बड़ा kingdom, if they wanted to what? Classify, they also need some criteria na? What are the criteria bachcho? I already told you how many criteria are there. 6 main criteria and some other minor criteria also there, that today only criteria of classification. Today's class mein we are going to finish it completely. There is nothing left. There won't be I am finishing everything. Okay, today levels of class rahi. criteria of classification. The first criteria is levels of organization, second one is symmetry, and the third one is germ layers, the fourth one is coelom, and the fifth one is segmentation, and the sixth one is what? Notochord. In the last lecture, I completed इधर तक first three criteria I completed, and today's class में I am going to finish the next three criteria. Okay children, but before I start today's lesson, whatever I am going to start, but before that, levels of organization में, नहीं तो symmetry में, नहीं तो germ layers में, any single doubt बच्चों, any single doubt you have, you please ask. Sir, no doubts, you can confidently go to today's lesson, then confidently I'll go to today's lesson. But please don't hesitate to ask any doubt. I am like your brother only. Happily you ask any doubt. Any doubt you can ask. I'm waiting for your doubts. No doubts, then may. No doubt, sir. No doubt. Okay. As you are not having any doubt, now I am taking the fourth criteria of classification. Understanding it? The fourth criteria of the classification. The first criteria is levels of organization. The second criteria is what? Symmetry. And the third criteria is germ layers. Like that. The fourth criteria is also there. What is the fourth criteria, bachcho? The fourth criteria is coelom. Understanding it? Now, before I start this coelom, bachcho, I'll tell you one very easy way. Now, you take one knife and you cut me. Understanding? Idhar se pakad ke you cut me. Understanding it? If you cut me, understand, then what you can be able to see? Mera body ka, this is a body wall. This is all what? Body wall. Understanding it? And exactly center में you can be able to see my elementary canal. I also have maybe खाना खाता है ना, so my elementary canal, and the space that is present between the body wall and the elementary canal. Again I repeat बच्चों, safety is important. बार बार repeat करेगा तो आपको दिमाग में जाएगा. The space that is present between the body wall, that means see this is a space. See, this is a space that is present between the body wall and elementary canal. Then that particular space, it is called a coelom. बच्चों समझ में है ना? Tell me truth. There is no problem. If you ask me once again, I don't mind. Okay? ये समझ में ना? Now tell me बच्चों, what do you mean by coelom? Coelom word सुनने में आपको क्या समझ में आया? Whatever you understood, you tell me. There is no problem. If it is wrong also, मुझे कोई problem नहीं. I will correct you. So, what do you mean by coelom, बच्चों? Now, if you take one organism, let us take, yeah, very good, Hirshita, very nice. Now, मान लो this is one organism. Now, मैं क्या करेगा ना? मैं ऐसा नहीं करेगा, मैं सिर्फ एग्जाम्पल के लिए बोल रहे, मैं I will take one knife, एक sword, ऐसा लेकर I'll cut it. That means ये आदमी को मैं ऐसा कट करेगा. When I cut this particular organism like this, now the outer body wall will be this. This is a body wall. This is all body wall, है ना? This body wall, and exactly center में what will be there, बच्चों? Elementary canal. So the body wall. This is what? A body wall. And this is what बच्चों? Elementary canal. Now देखो आपको clearly दिख रहा है ना? See this diagram में, see body wall and elementary canal का बीच में space is there, है ना? That space को हम बोलता है coelom. Understood बच्चों? And while I'm speaking only, Hirshita and also Siddhi, they already gave the answer. Very nicely you gave the answer, and your answers are perfectly correct. Very good बच्चों. Understanding it? Now, please listen. Very carefully listen. Such coelom मतलब the space present between the body wall and elementary canal, है ना? That coelom है ना? This is what coelom है ना? This is what मान लो, this is a body wall and this is elementary canal, है ना? If this coelom, that means this space, if it is lined by the mesoderm, if it is lined by what? Mesoderm, that means it is covered by the mesoderm. If the coelom, that means the body cavity, it is covered by the mesoderm, then that is called as a true coelom. Whereas body cavity it is present, but it is not having any line, it is not having any covering of the mesoderm, then that is called as a false coelom. Now tell me bachcho, the coelom, it must be lined by what? Mesoderm. Mesoderm it is also called as peritoneal layer. You write anything, मुझे कोई problem नहीं मिलेगा, because I have to give the marks for dono, because dono they are correct only. So if the body cavity it is lined by what? The mesoderm, then that is called as true coelom. No, no, no. It is not lined or covered by the mesoderm layer. Then that is called as pseudo coelom. That means what? It is not correct coelom. It is true coelom nahi hai. It is false coelom. Understood, bachcho? Now tell me, which coelom is considered as, I repeat question, which coelom is considered as perfect or true coelom? Tell me. Which coelom is called as the perfect or true coelom? I am waiting for your answer, इसलिए मैं बात नहीं कर रहे. No beta, Hirshita, which coelom is considered as a perfect or true coelom? Oh, yes, very good, very good. Who is this? Patil Shiv Prasad. Okay, and yes, you're all correct. Yes, and Utkarsha and Vijay, and these are all correct. Okay? The coelom which is lined by, that means which is covered by the mesoderm, then that is called as perfect or true coelom. Understanding it? Sai Prasad. Okay. Okay, whereas the coelom which is not covered by any mesoderm, then that is called as, what? Which is not lined by mesoderm, it is called as what? False coelom. Understood, bachcho? Now listen carefully, very important point. Okay, now dekho, this is what? The body wall, and this is what? The elementary canal. I already told you the space that is present between the body wall and elementary canal is nothing but a coelom, whereas in this coelom you can be able to see some fluid. बच्चों समझ में ना, this particular space, this body cavity में coelom, body cavity, coelom or body cavity में you can be able to see some fluid, and this fluid it is called as coelomic fluid. Understood, bachcho? Now tell me, what do you mean by coelomic fluid? Coelomic fluid means what? Whatever you understood, you tell me. No, there is no issues. Hard and fast, kuch bhi nahi hai. What do you mean by coelomic fluid? Why no one are answering? Okay, I think you did not. Oh, you understood. Type करने में time लगा. Hirshita gave the answer. The fluid that is present between the body wall and elementary canal, that is called as what? Excellent answer. Very, very nice answer. Whereas Utkarsha also gave the perfect answer. The fluid that is present in the coelom, that is also perfect answer. Very, very nice. Okay, बच्चों. Now coelom के बारे में any doubts are there? Any doubt? Like छोटा doubt भी छोड़ना ही मत बच्चों. छोटा doubts only becomes very costly. So any doubt इधर से इधर तक, any doubt you ask. No doubts, I'll go for the types of coelom. अभी तक क्या पढ़ा है मैंने? I explained about coelom, but abhi what am I going to explain? I am going to explain about the types of coelom. But before I go for the types of coelom, safety is important. Every student they have to understand so nicely. That's why our very quick revision, 1 minute mein revision karega. Coelom means the space that is present between the elementary canal and the body wall. The space that is present between the body wall and elementary canal is called as coelom. Understanding it? Peritoneal layer matlab mesodermal layer is there na, you know na, mesoderm layer. I told germ layers yesterday or day before yesterday, exact. Oh, yesterday मेरा class नहीं ना, day before yesterday I told ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Understanding it? Which are called as germ layers. Okay, now this body cavity है ना, that means coelom. If मान लो, better, this is what? Body wall, and this is what elementary canal. इधर तक पता है ना? And this space, it is अच्छा से it is lined by mesoderm layer. अच्छा से what happens, for example shirt से देखो देखो बट दिस इज व्हाट शर्ट. नाउ ये शर्ट इधर तक क्लॉथ है बट नीचे लाइनिंग दिया ना, अंडरस्टैंड गेट है. सी नीचे लाइनिंग दिया इसलिए दिस शर्ट का थ्रेड्स है ना, दे आर नॉट गेटिंग सेपरेटेड. बच्चों you're understanding it or not? That means this gives a proper boundary line. Am I correct? Not like that. If the body cavity it is also lined by a proper boundary line. What is that boundary line? That mesoderm, which is also called as peritoneal layer, if it is lined by mesodermal layer, then that is mesoderm, or you can write as peritoneal layer. मैं दोनों को marks देना ही देना है because mesoderm is otherwise called as peritoneal layer. Understanding it? If it is lined by mesoderm, then that is called as perfect coelom. No, it is not having mesoderm. Understand? That means short मैंने बनाया but इधर में lining नहीं किया, then all the threads they starts coming out like that. मैं lining नहीं दिया, then that is called as imperfect stitching. Whereas here imperfect coelom. Who asked first of all? Amar, I think so, he asked. Okay beta. Now, and this is coelom, that means this body cavity, it is filled up with the fluid that is called as coelomic fluid, sarthak. Okay, okay. Now इधर तक बच्चों, और लास्ट टाइम अगेन आई डोंट आस्क बच्चों, बार बार आई डोंट आस्क, बट इधर तक लास्ट टाइम आई एम आस्किंग, एनी मोर डाउट्स आर देयर इन दिस? इधर तक एनी मोर डाउट्स आर देयर? नो, क्लियर. ओके, कॉन्फिडेंटली आई एम गोइंग टू द टाइप्स ऑफ coelom. अभी तक मैंने coelom मतलब क्या है एक्सप्लेन. Now what am I going to explain? What are the types of coelom? Based on the coelom, the organisms are divided into 3 categories. How many categories बच्चों? Based on coelom, the organisms or the animals are classified into 3 groups. What are that groups, sir? The first one is acoelomates, and the second one is pseudocoelomates, and the third one it is called as eucoelomates or coelomates. You need not write eucoelomates बच्चों, directly if you write coelomates also मैं marks देता है, but sir I wanted to write मतलब you write, मुझे क्या problem है? eucoelomates and coelomates दोनों they are correct only बच्चों, you need not to struggle for that. coelomates you write मैं marks देता है, anyone has to give marks, or you write eucoelomates फिर भी मैं marks देता है, कोई problem नहीं आएगा. Understood बच्चों? Now tell me, based on the coelom, organisms are divided into dash number of groups. 3. What are they? Yes, 3. Perfect, your answer is correct. What are they? 1. acoelomates, 2. pseudocoelomates, and the third one is you write coelomates you write मैं marks देता है, and eucoelomates you write मैं marks देता है. कोई issues नहीं है, मुझे कोई problem नहीं है because दोनों they are same. Now let us take the first one बच्चों. What is the first one? Tell me. acoelomates. बच्चों acoelomates means what? acoelomates means what? The organisms in which पहले coelom only not there, that means there is no gap that is present with, मान लो this is what body wall and इसमें elementary canal, इसका अंदर गैप कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा. सी देखो बच्चों, दिस इज व्हाट प्लैथीहेलमिंथस, पता है ना आपको? दिस प्लैथीहेलमिंथस को बोलते हैं आप प्लानेरिया. 8th क्लास 9th क्लास में रीजनरेशन, दिस इज प्लानेरिया. नाउ यू सी दिस इज व्हाट एंडोडर्म एंड दिस इज व्हाट ectoderm, and बीच में what is that directly mesodermal layer is there but there is no cavity is there. See इधर देखो बच्चों, इसमें कुछ space is there, there is no space present between the body wall and elementary canal. If the body wall and elementary canal का बीच में there is no gap at all, there is no gap at all, then that is called as acoelomates. That means in the name itself, नाम पे ही है, a means absent. What is absent? Coelom is absent. Body cavity is absent. That's what is called as acoelomate. Coelom is absent. That means body wall and elementary canal का बीच में there is no space. Then that is called as acoelomates. Sir, example क्या है? Platyhelminthes. What is that बच्चों? Platyhelminthes. बच्चों acoelomates perfectly समझ में है ना बच्चों? परफेक्टली अंडरस्टूड सर, कोई इश्यूज नहीं है सर, आराम से you can confidently go to the second type. ऐसा कर सकते हैं, ऐसा can I go confidently? I can go. ओके, नाउ द सेकेंड टाइप सूडोसिलोमेट्स, थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा सुनने में भी आपको, अरे क्या क्या सर आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं, ऐसा ऐसा थोड़ा लगेगा। देखो सूडोसिलोमेट्स मतलब, देखो मैं क्या बोल रहा है अच्छे से सुनो, आपको थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग भी लगेगा। द बॉडी कैविटी, देखो दैट मीन्स, देखो दिस इज व्हाट बॉडी वॉल, एंड दिस इज व्हाट, मैं बार बार बोल रहे, दिस इज व्हाट एलिमेंट्री, दिस इज व्हाट बॉडी वॉल, and this is nothing but what, the elementary canal, understanding it now। true coelom में क्या होना चाहिए बच्चों, what is the meaning of true coelom? true coelom मतलब it must be lined by mesoderm, correct only ना, but इसमें mesodermal lining won't be there, instead that very interesting लगेगा, आप अच्छे से सुनो आपको मजा आएगा। Instead that the mesoderm it breaks into small pouches, understanding it, mesodermal lining won't be there, understanding it, the mesoderm it breaks into small pieces, small pouches, and this is called as what, pseudocoelom. That means what, the body cavity if it is lined by mesoderm, then it is called as true coelom. But either mesoderm lining is not there, mesoderm is breaking into small pouches, then that is called as what, pseudocoelom। देखो थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा ना आपको, आई थिंक सो, मुझे तो थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, आई डोंट नो अबाउट यू, अंडरस्टूड है ना। नाउ यू टेल मी बच्चों, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय, I'll erase it 1 second, just 1 second, थोड़ा टाइम दो प्लीज, डोंट माइंड। यस, नाउ अगेन I'll start। नाउ बच्चों यस, क्या समझ में आया, टेल मी व्हाट यू अंडरस्टूड। नाउ दिस इज व्हाट द बॉडी वॉल, मैं बार बार वही बोल रहा हूं, दिस इज द बॉडी वॉल एंड दिस इज द एलिमेंट्री कैनाल, करेक्ट ओनली ना, वेयर what is true coelom, the coelom must be lined by आराम से mesoderm, understanding, but this is true coelom, this is perfect coelom, see what I have drawn na, this is a perfect coelom, whereas pseudo coelom में क्या होता है ना, this is body wall and this is what, elementary canal, which में space is there, but the space it is not lined by mesoderm, where the mesoderm it is broken into, देखो pouches, mesodermal pouches, understanding it, so the coelom in which, I repeat bachcho, the coelom in which the the body cavity or the coelom it is not lined by mesoderm, where the mesoderm is broken into small pouches, understanding, then that is called as pseudocoelom, and that organism it is called as pseudocoelomates, that organisms are called as what, pseudocoelomates। sir example बोलिए sir, Aschelminthus, what is that बच्चों, Aschelminthus, okay, Aschelminthus you will call nematoda or Nemathyhelminthes na, yes correct Utkarsha, you are perfectly correct, you are perfectly, and even Hirshita is also correct, yes very good Sarthak, you are also correct, okay, all the three answers are correct, okay बच्चों। pseudocoelom में any confusions, इतना छोटा confusion है तो भी please ask बच्चों, or sir again you explain pura, then also I am ready for that, but you should understand, crystal clear, very nice। now the last one, what is the last one बच्चों, अभी तक I already told you ना, based on coelom the organisms are divided into three, the first one is what, acoelomate, and second one is what, pseudocoelomate, and the third one it is nothing but what, coelomate, which is also called as eucoelomate। u means what, true बच्चों, u means what, true, u is this is not u you nahi, this is what u means what, true, understand it, coelomates, understand it? That means they consider, sir roundworm, which type, roundworm matlab Nemathyhelminthes है ना, roundworm it belongs to Nemathyhelminthes, that's why इसमें pseudocoelom can be seen, roundworms, ringworms, these are all what, they are what bachcho, they belongs to what, Nemathyhelminthes na, that means Aschelminthus na, Aschelminthus is the best example for what, pseudocoelomates, okay, nice, okay, can I Can I go? Okay. Now the next one is eucoelomates. U means what? Actually बच्चों आपको थोड़ा अजीब लगेगा सर U क्या है Y क्या है. Actually these are all Greek words ना, इसलिए थोड़ा आपको अजीब अजीब लगता है. Understanding it? U it is not English word बच्चों. U it is taken from Greek. Greek में U means true. Coelomates that means true coelom they consisting of. Eucoelomates मतलब true coelomates. बच्चों what is the meaning of true coelomates? If the body cavity or the coelom it is perfectly lined by the mesoderm, perfectly lined by what? Mesoderm, then that is called as eucoelom, and that organism it is called as coelomates or eucoelomates. You write anything, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. सर एग्जांपल क्या है? Annelida, mollusca, arthropoda, echinodermata, hemichordata, and all the chordates. These are all the examples for what? Coelomates or eucoelomates. बच्चों समझ में ना? Now tell me बच्चों, what do you mean by coelomates or eucoelomates? Coelomates मतलब क्या है? If the coelom or body cavity, if the coelom or body cavity is lined by mesoderm, then that is called as what? Eucoelomate. Understanding it? Or coelomate. Any confusions बच्चों? Any confusions? Now, again, these eucoelomates are divided into two types. What are they? Schizo, सर थोड़ा अजीब है बच्चों, मुझे भी पता है ना. 2 बार पढ़ो, तीसरा बार you only will understand. बट पहले फर्स्ट 2 टाइम्स में थोड़ा दिक्कत आएगा. Schizo. What is that? Schizocoelom. What is that बच्चों? Schizocoelom. पहले 2-3 बार आपको थोड़ा अजीब लगता है, बट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ टाइम से आपको आदत हो जाएगा. Schizocoelom. ओके, इज इट ओके बच्चों? इज इट ओके ना? यू कैन रीड इट ना? यू कैन रीड ना? Schizocoelom. इतना ही देखो. सी मुझे भी आदत हो गया ना. फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई एम आल्सो इन 11th, ये क्या है मुझे भी ऐसे लगा, बट बार बार व्हेन वी प्रोनाउंस इट ना आपको इजी हो जाएगा. Schizocoelom. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज एंटेरोसीलोम. आई थिंक इसमें इतना फर्क तो नहीं, इतना डिफिकल्टी तो नहीं है ना. एंटेरोसीलोम एनीवन कैन प्रोनाउंस. थोड़ा फर्स्ट वन में थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी इज देयर. Schizocoelom, enterocoelom, that's it. Schizocoelom and enterocoelom. बच्चों कैन यू प्रोनाउंस इट ना? कोई इश्यूज नहीं ना आपको? सर मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आई कैन प्रोनाउंस इट. ऐसा है क्या? Yes, very nice, very nice. Okay, Schizocoelom and enterocoelom. Sir, what do you mean by Schizocoelom? थोड़ा थोड़ा मजा आएगा, पर रियली आपको मजा आएगा. Okay, थोड़ा you will listen, you will while you are listening you will enjoy it. Schizocoelom मतलब इसमें mesodermal lining is there, but कैसे it will be there ना? Please listen carefully. इसमें what will be there बच्चों? Mesodermal lining is there, but देखो मजा देखो क्या क्या मिलेगा आपको. That's why biology is very very interesting बच्चों. You know, when you are reading also आपको मजा आएगा, and when you are writing also, when you are listening also आपको थोड़ा मजा आएगा. That's why I am biology teacher, because मुझे excitement आता है. Where this is what body wall, ये तो पता है, ने beginning से बोल रहे. And this is what elementary canal. This is elementary canal. And this space it is called as what? Coelom or body cavity. देखो, in the schizocoelom the mesoderm splits up. ऐसा देखो कितना अच्छा से it is splitting up and it is lining. ऐसा बच्चों समझ में आ रहा है ना? कंफ्यूजन नहीं है ना? कंफ्यूजन से तो you have to ask me. And when you are asking, you should not hesitate. I am here now, I am like your brother only, no problems at all. Okay, so yeah, comfortably you ask me. Okay, so like that, if the mesoderm it is splitting into two and it is lining the whole coelom, pura coelom अच्छा से it will cover the complete coelom by splitting, then that is called as schizocoelom. बच्चों सच में समझ में आना? Don't hesitate, any doubt. और एक बार explain करूं मैं बच्चों, you're okay? और एक बार बोलना है क्या? No, safety is important. Safety is important. You understood? Yeah, I appreciate it. But still, safety के लिए और एक बार explain करेगा मैं. Okay? Because safety is important. Every student who is attending my class, they should not left with what I call, yeah, mesoderm it breaks. Yes, divide होता है. they should not feel dissatisfactory, they should understand every point of mine clearly. देखो बेटा, this is what मैं पहले से बोल रहे, so now this time I don't tell. What is this बच्चों? This time I don't tell because बार बार मैं वही बोल रहे. What is this? Yes, body wall. And what is this बच्चों? Side center में what is there? एलिमेंट्री कैनाल. अंडरस्टूड बच्चों? इसमें दिस होल स्पेस, दिस पूरा स्पेस इट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट बच्चों? सीलोम. मैं बार बार वही बोल रहे हैं ना, वेयर दिस सीलोम. देखो कितना मजा आएगा. दिस सीलोम mesoderm is there ना, the mesoderm it splits and it split breaks and it lines. देखो it is broken and it is lining this complete coelom. देखो बच्चों, देखो कितना अच्छे से it broken into two pieces and it is पूरा it is lining the whole what I call coelom. It is broken into two and it is lining into lining this complete body cavity. Then this is called as what? Schizocoelom. बच्चों schizocoelom समझ में है ना? Okay, now tell me बच्चों, what do you mean by schizocoelom? Tell me whatever you understood. मुझे कोई issues नहीं है. I don't have any issue. What is the meaning of schizocoelom? Yes, schizocoelom it is developed by breaking of the or splitting of the mesoderm and split the mesoderm it splits and अच्छे से it will cover the whole cavity. पूरा cavity से शानदार से it will cover the whole cavity. Then that is called as what? Schizocoelom. Understood बच्चों? Whereas the next one it is called as what? Enterocoelom. बच्चों, if you really sir confidently I understand. Yeah, correct. Sarthak. Yes, perfectly correct. Yes. Yes, Utkarsha, sorry, Utkarsh nahi, Utkarsha. Okay, Utkarsha, you are also correct. Perfect. And Sanjay also give an answer. Mesoderm is split and cover. Yes, perfect. And Raman also. Raman or Siddhi, I don't know. I think Siddhi, I think so. No. No, only two beta. Only two. Now, bachcho, can I ask one question? You understood na? Unless you don't understand, how do you answer all these things? है ना बच्चों? Can I ask one question? What is the difference between pseudocoelom and schizocoelom? Pseudocoelom maybe the mesoderm it is breaking, whereas a schizocoelom maybe it is breaking. Then what is the difference? Difference क्या होगा? Easy answer only, but still मुझे easy लगता है because मुझे already पता है, but आपको पता नहीं ना, so आपको easy नहीं लगेगा. So try. Yes, very good. Pseudocoelom में क्या होता है ना, the mesoderm it is broken into many fragments and they convert themselves into pouches. They convert themselves into what? A pouch. Pencils and pens you आप रखता है ना pouch, वो pouches जैसा होता है. But ये सा schizocoelom नहीं. It is breaking, but it is properly lining the body cavity. अच्छा से शानदारली it is lining the body cavity. Understanding it? Whereas it is not converting into pouch. That you need to understand. Okay, now you understood बच्चों? दोनों में it is breaking sir. Then क्या फर्क पड़ेगा सर? ये सा फर्क पड़ेगा. Okay. Yes, very good. Utkarsha, perfectly answered. Perfectly you answered it. So nicely you answered it. Very good. Very good, बच्चों. Now, last one. Can I take बच्चों elementary enterocoelom? But before I go ना, मुझे थोड़ा space चाहिए. Just give me half a minute. मैं पूरा clear करके I will start explaining. Now the second type, yes I rubbed, मुझे कितना space चाहिए उतना space मिल गया, so I am going to enterocoelom. Now the next one it is nothing but what बच्चों? Intro. Last one with this coelom हो गया, done. Now the last one what? Yes. Now the last one, what is the what happened? Pen. Okay, I did not select pen. Now the last one is nothing but what बच्चों? Enterocoelom. बच्चों enterocoelom मतलब again this is what body wall and this is what the elementary canal. Correct only ना? दिस इज बॉडी वॉल एंड दिस नेवर चेंज, है ना, बोर लग गया है ना आपको। वेयर इसमें द मीसोडर्म इट इज अरेजेस फ्रॉम द वॉल ऑफ द एम्ब्रियो, एम्ब्रियोनिक गट, दैट मीन्स व्हाट, this is embryonic gut. Okay, this is what the mesoderm, it arises from here, and it converts into hollow outgrowths, yes, pura, and sir, otherwise yes, it arises from the alimentary canal, and it, yes, hollow pouches, this it becomes, okay, like this, and this is called as what, enterocoelom. बच्चों enterocoelom समझ में है ना, that means it is developed from the what you call elementary canal, understand it, and it is pura, it is lining the what you call body cavity in form of what, the hollow pouches, this is hollow pouches, like this, then this is called as what, hollow outgrowths, it is lining, that means it is not lining continuously, it is not lining continuously. Then how it is aligning bachcho, it is aligning like this, like hollow pouch जैसे, hollow outgrowth जैसे it is lining, then this is called as what, the enterocoelom. समझ में ना बच्चों, सच बोलिए, you have to tell me truth. बच्चों I'm waiting for your answer, that's why I'm not speaking. You understood enterocoelom, और एक बार बोलो मैं, इंट्रोसिलोम मतलब, एक्सप्लेन अगेन, वेरी सिंपल बेटा, देखो व्हाट इज दिस, व्हाट इज दिस बच्चों, ये सबको आप पता है ना, बॉडी वॉल, एंड देखो ये क्या है बेटा, दिस इज नथिंग बट व्हाट, एलिमेंट्री कैनाल, ये है ना. नाउ इन दिस द mesoderm इज देयर ना, द mesoderm इट इज प्रेजेंट like this, देखो इट इज शोइंग सम outgrowths, hollow outgrowths जैसे, that means it is not present like a continuous layer, ऐसा continuous layer जैसे नहीं, it is lining the whole coelom in form of what, hollow outgrowths, hollow outgrowths जैसे it is lining the complete body cavity, hollow outgrowths जैसे if it is lining the complete body cavity, then this is called as enterocoelom. That's it, इतना simple, very simple बेटा. Now, if the mesodermal lining, okay, it is covering the whole coelom in form of what, hollow outgrowths जैसे, wavy outgrowths जैसे, then that, sir, is this in any, no shape नहीं, no सार्थक, it is not in any shape, it is just like hollow outgrowths, इतना है, ऐसा outgrowths, you don't have any shape बेटा, no. Yes, it is covering the coelom in form of what, the hollow outgrowths. Sir, star shape में रहेगा, sir, ये no, that is not correct, no any shape. Okay, the mesoderm is developed from the alimentary canal and it is converted to hollow what you call pouches, hollow pouches जैसे it will convert and covers the whole body cavity, then that is called as enterocoelom. That's it, so easy. Okay, coelom topic समझ में ना children? Okay, any confusions you please ask, any small confusion be you ask. Clear, perfectly clear na? Okay, very good. Now the 4 criteria बच्चों आपको पता है ना, how many criteria explained अभी तक? Levels of organization, second one is what, symmetry, the third one is what, coelom, understand it, and the fourth one what I explained bachcho, symmetry, or what is the fourth one bachcho, what I explained the fourth one, the fourth one is what I call germ layers, correct only na? Now the next one is 6 criteria, याद है ना, this 6 total how many criteria are there bachcho, 6 criteria, understanding it, इसमें we completed 4 criteria and the 5th criteria, what is this bachcho, easily you can read it, what is that, segmentation. No, it's a number, you need not to worry about number, understanding it. If you want to take, you take what I call segmentation first only, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, इसको प्रॉपर सीक्वेंसिंग नहीं है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट. ओके, सेगमेंटेशन बच्चों I will tell, but before I tell, anyone know any idea is there, थोड़ा आइडिया बेसिक, सर मुझे थोड़ा तो पता है सर सेगमेंटेशन के बारे में, ऐसा कुछ है क्या? Anyone, all the 17 students में anyone, you know anything about segmentation? If you know, you tell, otherwise I am here, मेरा सिर पे छोड़ दो. Anything? Segments, okay. Yeah, that only I am asking, beta. What is the meaning of segmentation? Segmentation means what? Okay, I think you're, yes, very good. Raman, Siddhi, I think so. Her name is what? Raman or Siddhi? I don't know. Her name is Siddhi. Okay, Siddhi Beti, she told perfect answer. Shandar answer she has given. Body, it is divided externally and also internally. The externally and internal, sir, आप क्या बोल रहे हैं मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहे sir. Okay, अच्छा से I'll tell you. बच्चों, how many of you seen earthworm? Earthworm, earthworm तो सब देखता है ना. Okay, earthworm, if you take the body, if you take, so this is one segment. Now, देखो, externally also it will divide and internally also it will divide like this. बच्चों समझ में ना. So this is externally also, see the division you can be able to see. Internally also you can be able to see the division. That means if you can be able to divide the body of an organism, extra, sir, divided into segments with a serial. Yes, yes, yes. Sarthak, perfect. Your answer is like, sir, very perfect. Okay. Now, if you can divide the organism into various parts, externally also and also internally also, then that is called a segmentation. So what is the meaning of segmentation? The organism, if you can be able to divide externally also, this is head portion. See, externally also मैं head जैसे दिख रहा है ना, but if you cut my head, internally also इधर तक head ही दिखता है. Internally also, because see देखो, ऐसा आके ये अंदर जा रहे हैं. Understand? That means externally and also internally, if you can be able to divide the organism, and that particular divisions are called as what? Segmentation. बच्चों समझ में है ना children? सच में समझ में ना? Sure na? Whereas in earthworm, I'm talking about earthworm. In earthworm, the body show the pattern of the, that means इसमें क्या होता है ना, इधर एक segment रहेगा and इधर एक segment रहेगा, इधर एक segment रहेगा, इधर एक segment रहेगा, इधर एक, like that serial repetitions can be seen, and this is serial repetitions में the body divided, then that is called as a metameric segmentation, or simply called as what? It is simply called metamerism. Metameric segmentation इतना लंबा लिखने के लिए जरूर नहीं है. Simply if you write metamerism, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. No one will ask you. आपको ट्रबल नहीं आएगा. Okay बच्चों? And each and every segment, it is called as a metamer or a somite. It is called what? Somite. Okay children, segmentation आपको समझ में ना? Very very small but very very important. It is small but it is very important. Segmentation सबको समझ में है ना बच्चों? What is segmentation? If you really understand, tell me the answer. If you understand, you have to answer. What do you mean by segmentation? Segmentation मतलब आपको क्या समझ में आया? Yes, division of the body, both externally and also internally also. Okay, that divisibility is called as what? Segmentation. Now, in earthworm, which type of segmentation can be seen? In earthworm, which type of segmentation can be seen? Yes, metameric segmentation. Okay, sir, metameric segmentation, I don't want to write. Then simply write metamerism. Metameric segmentation मतलब थोड़ा लंबा हो गया ना, so no need to write metamerism. This you can write ना बेटा. This is so simple ना. Whereas in this metameric segment में each and every segment, it is called as what? Metamer or somite. Metamer or somite. Okay बच्चों, segmentation. Confidently sir, आप टेंशन ही मत लो, हमको पूरा समझ में आया. Then only I'll go to the next one. Otherwise और एक बार repeat करेगा. If you really understand only, I'll go to the next one. सर septum is wall बेटा. Septum is what? देखो very simple, I'll tell you. देखो ये hall है and ये kitchen है. Okay, now this hall is one room. Let us take, this is one segment of biology mein, and this is kitchen is one room. That means this is one segment. Now those segments ka beech mein you can be able to see some wall na, and this wall only, it is called a septa. That's it, nothing else. मान लो चैतन्य एकेडमी में 10 classrooms are there. Now this is one classroom and this is another classroom and this is another classroom. देखो बेटा, one classroom is separated by another classroom. How? By the wall. And this wall only, biology में wall we should not call. Biology में you have to call it as septa. That's it. Septa means wall. Sir, in this case में what is septa, sir? One segment to another segment separated by this septum. One segment it is separated to another septum, another one segment it is separated. This is segment number 1 and this is segment number 2. The segment number 1 and segment number 2, it is separated by cross wall, that means septum. अभी समझ में ना हर्षिता? Yes. Okay, very nice, very nice. बच्चों, can I confidently go to the 6th criteria? Last criteria बच्चों, 6th, last one. Okay, कोई issues नहीं है ना आपको? Now the next one is what? Last one, last criteria is nothing but what बच्चों? Notochord. Notochord, I think everyone will answer it. What is notochord? I think नहीं, I am not thinking, I am confidently telling. Notochord everyone know. What is this बच्चों? I am thinking everyone will answer. Let us see. I don't know. भगवान को ही पता है, मुझे पता नहीं. नोटोकॉर्ड. ओके, आई थिंक मैं आपको ट्रबल दे रही है. ओके, यस, संजय ने, आई थिंक स्नेहा गेव द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, स्नेहा गेव द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, देखो बच्चों, यू टेक योर हैंड एंड यू पुट इट हियर. इधर इधर बच्चों, इधर इधर यू पुट इट. देन I'll start explaining. You take your hand and put here, middle of your shoulder, middle, not here, middle, exactly middle में you kept ना. there आपको कुछ तो solid कॉर्ड जैसे दिख रहे क्या, लग रहे क्या? वेरी सिंपल. टेक योर हैंड बेटा, पुट शोल्डर का एग्जैक्टली मिडिल में यू पुट. आपको एक रॉड जैसे, सॉलिड रॉड जैसे दिखता है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू सेंस्ड इट? है ना, है ना, वही सिंपल. दैट्स व्हाई आई रियली एक्सपेक्टेड आंसर फ्रॉम यू. नोटोकॉर्ड मतलब आई रियली थॉट दैट एवरीवन विल आंसर. बट चलो, नो, इफ यू डोंट नो देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. व्हाई आई एम हियर टू टेल यू ओनली ना. सो मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बट आपको सेंसिंग ना. एंड notochord is a rod like structure which is formed from mesoderm. बच्चों again don't ask me mesoderm. बच्चों mesoderm पता है ना? This is a middle germ layer. It is a middle germ layer. It is a middle germ layer. Outer ectoderm and middle mesoderm and inner endoderm. ये याद है ना आपको? अब भूल गया. Germ layers. याद है ना बच्चों? Whereas this notochord, it is formed by the mesoderm. So the mesodermally originated notochord is a rod-like structure. Notochord is a rod-like structure which is formed from the mesoderm. Understand it? And it is present on the dorsal side of the dorsal side of the animal at the time of embryonic development. Understood बच्चों? Children, समझ में? इधर तक फर्स्ट पॉइंट में any doubts are there? Again error. Safety. If you understand also, safety is important बच्चों. Everyone should understand ना. Notochord is a rod-like structure. Notochord is a rod-like structure that is formed by the mesoderm. Where it is present? It is present towards the dorsal side of the body. It is present in the dorsal side. Dorsal side. This is ventral and this is what? Dorsal side. Okay, the dorsal side of the body that is present during the embryonic development. Okay बच्चों, point number 1. Any confusions are there? Any छोटा confusion भी छोड़ना मत, please ask. Point number 1. सर point number 1 हमको समझ में आया, आप टेंशन मत लो, कोई इश्यूज नहीं है, हैं? Is it clear? फर्स्ट पॉइंट में अंडरस्टूड. नाउ सेकंड पॉइंट बच्चों, देखो embryonic time में this is what notochord, it is present rod like. Understanding it? Repeat beta. Notochord is a rod like structure. Notochord is a rod like structure. Okay, from where it is formed? This rod like structure, it is formed from mesoderm. Mesoderm matlab pata hai na, the middle germ layer. So it is formed by mesoderm. Sir, where it is present? Dorsal side, peach side. This is what dorsal side, peach. Okay, dorsal side I can't show bachcho, I can't be able to turn. Okay, this is front, this is back, this is dorsal side. Okay, notochord is a rod like structure which is formed by mesoderm, which is formed in the mesoderm, which is present in the embryonic development. Okay, which is present dorsally during the embryonic development. That is nothing but what? Notochord. सर तक समझ में ना? और एक बार explain करो, no problem. If you ask me one more time also, I feel happy, to be frank. Clear? Sure na? It is clear. I repeat safety के लिए last time, again I don't repeat, last time I'm repeating it. Notochord is a rod like structure which is formed by mesoderm, which is present dorsal to the body during embryonic stage. That is nothing but notochord. समझ में ना सार्थक? Is it okay? Can I go to the second point? Okay, now the animals during embryonic stage में, please understand, animals during embryonic stage में, if they are having, if they are producing what? Notochord. That means during their embryonic stage they are producing a notochord, then they are called as chordates. And the animals in which notochord it is not formed, that means mesoderm it is not forming what? Notochord, then that is called as non-chordates. Now tell me bachcho, based on notochord organisms are divided into two groups. What are they? During embryonic stage they are forming notochord, then that is called as chordates. No, पूरा जिंदगी में embryonic stage में they are not producing notochord, then that is called as non chordates. बच्चों समझ में है ना? Tell me, what is the difference between chordates and non chordates बच्चों? What is the difference between chordates and non chordates? Chordates with notochord, non-chordates without a notochord. Understanding बच्चों? So this is about the notochord. बच्चों notochord समझ में ना? 6 criteria. With this, all the 6 criteria we completed it. All the 6 criteria we completed it. There is nothing left. Okay, are you sure na? So these are called as criteria of classification. Okay bachcho, now sir, in chordates note, yes, very good, very good, Utkarsha, very good. Yes, even Sanjay also, even Hirshita also, as usually they gave perfect answer. Oh, Sanjay, Sneha, yes. Okay bachcho, now the 6 criteria they have taken and they started classifying. While they are classifying it, they came across, they came, Sarthak, animals have, yes, very good, very nice beta. Now, okay, they have taken the 6 criteria bachcho, aram se they are doing classification. While they are doing classification na, they found some other criteria. They found what? Some other criteria. Sir, what are the some other criteria they have found? Okay, these are 6 main, these are bachcho, these 6 are main criteria. These 6 are what? Main criteria. Okay, whereas while by taking the 6 main criteria, they are classifying the organisms. While they are classifying the organisms, they found some other criteria also. What are the some other criteria? The first criteria is nothing but, read it bachcho, what is this? What is this bachcho? What is this? Body plan. Understood? What is this body plan? That means how the alimentary canal is present. Understanding it? Manlo, very good. I'll tell you very nicely. Based on the body plan, that means how the body is organized. How the body is organized. Okay? How, sir, notochord is, yeah, बाद में, yes, Sneha, बाद में notochord it is converted into vertebral column. बाद में, पहले notochord, बाद में it converts. That I think not needed now because unnecessarily आपको confusion आएगा. But since you asked, this is my duty to answer it. बाद में it will be converted into vertebral column. It arises as notochord. धीरे धीरे, slowly it changes into vertebral column. that I'll explain, not now, because if I explain now ना आपको थोड़ा confusion आएगा, ये बोलने के लिए थोड़ा time है, that time I'll explain, no problem. But since you asked, but इधर तक तो समझ में ना आपको, notochord it is धीरे धीरे, slowly it will be converted into vertebral column. Okay children, okay, very nice. Now let us take sorry now body plan. बच्चों based on the body plan, again the organisms are divided into three. What are they? The first one is cell aggregate. ये क्या है, ये पता है आपको, इसलिए आई एम नॉट टेलिंग. सेल एग्रीगेट मतलब द ऑर्गेनिजम्स विच आर मेड अप ऑफ मेनी सेल्स, बट प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना, दैट सेल्स आर नॉट अरेंज्ड इन फॉर्म ऑफ टिश्यूज. ये आपको पता है ना बच्चों, ये पता है आपको. वेर आई एक्सप्लेन, टेल मी वेर आई एक्सप्लेन दिस पॉइंट, वेर वी एक्सप्लेन्ड लेवल्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. द फर्स्ट वन इज सेल्यूलर लेवल, याद है, भूल गए ना, सेलुलर लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में दैट मींस द ऑर्गेनिज्म इज मल्टीसेलुलर. देखो बच्चों, द ऑर्गेनिजम्स दे कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ मेनी सेल्स, बट दैट सेल्स आर नॉट फॉर्म्ड इनटू टिश्यूज, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सेल एग्रीगेट बॉडी प्लान. बच्चों सेल एग्रीगेट बॉडी प्लान समझ में ना, सेल एग्रीगेट बॉडी प्लान समझ में ना, वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज ब्लाइंड सैक. बच्चों व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ब्लाइंड सैक? ब्लाइंड सैक मतलब, थोड़ा अच्छे से सुनो बच्चों, प्लीज थोड़ा अच्छे से सुनो, अदरवाइज आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. हाइड्रा, understanding it, and some what you call platyhelminthes में, and also some coelant traits में, understand, Obelia geniculata, like that. In this organisms में elementary canal is present, but the elementary canal has only one opening. That means सॉरी टू से बच्चों, बायोलॉजी में सॉरी का वैल्यू नहीं है, बिकॉज मैं अजीब खुद ही बात करता है क्या, अजीब में खुद ही नहीं बात करेगा, बट दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू. फ्रॉम वेर एवर द फूड इट इज ईटिंग, फ्रॉम देयर ओनली इट विल एक्सक्रीट ऑल्सो. इससे अजीब में बात करना मुझे पता भी नहीं है, आई डोंट, इतना अच्छे से इतना अजीब से मैं बात नहीं कर सकते. दैट मीन्स द एलिमेंट्री कैनाल, मान लो दिस इज अ बॉडी ऑफ द हाइड्रा, understanding it. Now it is having one opening. This is all elementary canal. This is all what, elementary canal, and this is what body. Now what happens, it is taking the food, it is taking the food from the single opening, whereas it is releasing that food, that waste, that means ingestion also takes place with the same opening, and excretion also takes place with the same opening. Then that is called what, blind sac. बच्चों समझ में है ना? The organisms in which elementary canal has single opening, where ingestion also takes place with the same opening, and egestion also, egestion matlab excretion, that's it, please understand, egestion also takes place with the same opening, then that is called as what? Yes, in this case only one opening is present, only one opening is present, then that is called as blind sac arrangement. बच्चों blind sac समझ में ना चिल्ड्रन, बच्चों समझ में है ना? ओके. वेयर एज ट्यूब विद इन द ट्यूब, बच्चों ट्यूब विद इन द ट्यूब मतलब आपका बॉडी, योर बॉडी इज द एग्जाम्पल फॉर दैट. योर बॉडी, हमारा बॉडी है ना, ह्यूमन बींग्स बॉडी इज, बच्चों आई एम सॉरी, जस्ट 1 सेकेंड, गिव मी ओनली 1 सेकेंड टाइम. एक्चुअली मेरा लैपटॉप का चार्जिंग हो गया, जस्ट 1 सेकेंड में मैं रख के अगेन आई विल स्टार्ट, जस्ट 1 सेकेंड प्लीज. यस आई एम बैक, थोड़ा चार्जिंग खत्म हो गया इसलिए ना. Now tube within the tube, the last one, we are the example बच्चों, we people are example. देखो हमारा बॉडी देखो कैसे have two opening. Yes, very good, Harshita, correct. मान लो this is one human being, okay, this is human being, okay, and these are limbs, okay, these are limbs. now देखो हमारा बॉडी में ये ट्यूब जैसा होता है ना, सी बिल्ली इज ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, वेरस एलिमेंट्री कैनाल आल्सो ए ट्यूब. दैट मींस हमारा बॉडी इफ यू कंसीडर इज अ ट्यूब, एंड ट्यूब में एलिमेंट्री कैनाल अनदर ट्यूब, दैट मींस इट इज कॉल्ड ट्यूब विद इन द ट्यूब. समझ में ना बच्चों? वेयर द एलिमेंट्री कैनाल हैज टू ओपनिंग्स, इधर माउथ विल बी देयर एंड इधर एनस विल बी देयर, इधर एनस विल बी देयर. दैट मींस व्हाट हैपेंस, the organisms in which the alimentary canal is present in such a way that a tube that is present within the tube, understanding it, whereas it is having two openings, that is mouth where you eat, and anus where you what I call excrete, ejection karega na, that is nothing but what, anus. Understood bachcho? So this is called as tube within the tube arrangement. Whereas tube within the tube, again it is of two types. What are they? Protostomes and also deuterostomes. बच्चों ये क्या है? While the alimentary canal is developing, please listen carefully, very easy, just you need to listen carefully, that's it. While the alimentary canal is forming, the mouth it develops first and anus it develops last. Then this is called what? Protostomes. Sir, example क्या है? Annelida, molluscans and also arthropods. Whereas deuterostomata मतलब in this elementary canal it develops na, while it is developing, anus is developing first, understanding it, whereas mouth is developing last. Then that is called as deuterostomata. Example echinodermata, hemichordata, including all the vertebrates. Understanding it. So this is nothing but deuterostomata. Now body plan समझ में ना children? बच्चों please tell me truth. There is nothing to hide. Be happy and comfortable in my class, especially मेरा class में you be very happy. Okay, to be frank, if you ask doubts only, मुझे what I call थोड़ा मजा आता है. If you don't ask doubts, मुझे थोड़ा है क्या चल रहा है ऐसा लगता है मुझे. Okay बच्चों, so body plan समझ में ना? This is another criteria. Okay children, now the last criteria. Sir ताकत है, सर कंटिन्यू, सर ज्यादा हो गया छोड़ दो, कुछ है क्या ऐसा? Can I continue children? No? Can I continue na? Yes, continue. Okay. Now, the last criteria, bachcho, with this, no, there is nothing left. Like criteria, if I wanted to tell also, there is nothing left. Okay. Pura, this is the last criteria. Sir, blind sac co income. Yes, incomplete. Yes, you are perfect. You are perfect. Hirshita, you are perfect. Okay. It is also called as incomplete digestive system. Whereas tube within the tube को complete digestive system बोल सकते हैं. Excellent, very nice, very good. Now the next one, it is called as what? Blood vascular system. बच्चों blood vascular system आपको पता है ना? In our body में heart, blood vessels, blood together called as blood vascular system. Such blood vascular system, it is of two types बच्चों. Okay. The first type it is called as open circulatory system, and the second type it is called as closed circulatory system. Okay, shall we start explaining this? Shall we start बच्चों? Okay, now the open circulatory system मतलब थोड़ा अच्छे से सुनो बच्चों, please थोड़ा अच्छे से सुनो. The open circulatory system में the fluid which is flowing, and that is called as hemolymph. Very important question, and it is asked in your NEET exam. Open circulatory system में the fluid it is there na, okay, and that fluid it is called as hemolymph. Understanding it? Whereas closed circulation में the fluid whatever it is flowing na, that is called as blood. So बच्चों हमारा body में मान लो when you are cutting some vegetables, मान लो इधर एक कट हुआ, then क्या बात बाहर आएगा बच्चों? ब्लड आ रहा है, ब्लड बाहर आएगा. Whereas आपका घर में कॉकरोचेस तो रहेगा ना? Every घर, wherever you go, cockroaches will follow you. है ना? That cockroaches will be there ना? That cockroaches they are having open type of circulatory system. इसमें blood नहीं रहेगा. If you want, you crush any cockroach. Don't do that. That's not correct. But if you want, if you do that in open type of blood, is pumped out of the heart and cells and tissue directly. Yes, correct. Hirshita, perfectly correct. Perfectly correct. You are 100 to 100% is correct. Okay. Now in our houses, may cockroach is there. In that cockroach, may blood won't be there. If you want, you can try it. So you crush any cockroach, then uh, yeah, yes, ant also. Yes, ant also. Okay बच्चों, so in that blood won't be there. Then sir वो fluid का हम क्या बोलते हैं? Hemolymph. Where अच्छे से सुनो बच्चों, अच्छे से सुनना है, then only you will understand. If you don't listen carefully, आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. So मेरा जिम्मेदारी है नहीं. Okay. In this, the hemolymph, it enters into the heart. The hemolymph enters into what? Heart. But from the heart, directly it comes out into the body cavity. But please understand, directly it comes into the body cavity, where it directly, what happens, it will be in contact with all the tissues. सर आप क्या बोला मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. ओके ओके, आई विल टेल यू वेरी इजीली. मान लो दिस इज वन कॉकरोच, दिस इज वन कॉकरोच. मान लो एग्जाम्पल के लिए आई एम टेलिंग द कॉकरोच. ओके. कॉकरोच में हार्ट, ना बच्चों आपको पता है ना, कॉकरोच में हार्ट हमारा हार्ट जैसे नहीं रहेगा. हार्ट इट इज प्रेजेंट लाइक अ ट्यूब. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो इट. एंड हमारा हार्ट इट इज मेड अप ऑफ हाउ मेनी चेंबर्स बच्चों? 4 चेंबर्स, है ना. बट ना कॉकरोच में इट इज मेड अप ऑफ 13 चेंबर्स. ये पता है ना बच्चों? आई थिंक यू डोंट नो. आई थिंक यू डोंट नो, है ना. Yes, you don't know. So in cockroach में the heart it is present like a tube, which is made up of how many chambers बच्चों? 13 chambers. 13 बच्चों. I am not joking. बच्चा I am not joking. I am telling you truth. Why I joke? सुबह सुबह सच में in cockroach 13 chambers will be there. One chamber, two second chamber, third chamber, fourth chamber, fifth chamber, like that. They are present in a straight line, like a rod जैसे दिखता है. And the blood it enters into the heart, understand it, and it directly comes out into the body cavity, so that all these particular tissues are there na, they are present directly in contact with the what do you call hemolymph. समझ में ना? अभी समझ में ना चिल्ड्रन? बच्चों सच बोलिए, अभी समझ में ना? और एक बार बोल. यू नीड नॉट हेजिटेट, आई विल टेल वंस अगेन. बट हमारा बॉडी में क्या है ना, मान लो दिस इज हमारा बॉडी. 1 सेकेंड, जगह नहीं है ना, ये हमारा बॉडी है. This is हमारा body. Now either heart will be there. Now blood it enters into the heart, but when it is coming out, it don't come out directly. It enters into the blood vessels. It enters into what? The blood vessels. Understood बच्चों? That means open type of circulatory system में from heart to directly it is entering into the body cavity, where the hemolymph it is directly in contact with all the tissues. Whereas closer circulatory system में from the heart it is entering into the blood vessels, and the blood vessels it takes this blood into various parts. बच्चों समझ में ना? फर्स्ट पॉइंट सच बोलना है. टेल मी ट्रूथ. नो प्रॉब्लम. इफ यू आस्क मी 100 times I will tell you, but you should understand. Clear? Huh? Now tell me, what is the difference between open circulatory system and closed? If you really understand, you please tell me. Open circulatory system and closed circulatory system में क्या फर्क है, क्या डिफरेंस है? If you tell, then only I'll take the next point. Otherwise, I don't take. If you tell the first point, then only I'll go for the second point. Otherwise, I don't go. सर लंबा टाइप करना है, then you can even speak also बच्चों. On your left side corner में mic will be there. On it and you can speak. No sir, I'll type मतलब type. इसमें there is no force. I want answer. Whether you type the answer, whether you speak, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. क्यों no one are answering? I think you did not understand. Why children? आप आंसर ही नहीं दे रहे, क्या हुआ? मैं okay. Finally, Utkarsha gave answer. In open circulatory system, the fluid present called hemolymph, and closed में yes, it is called as blood. But yeah, okay. But I want major difference. Why it is called as open type of circulatory? I want that. Why it is called as open type of circulatory system? When the blood is coming out of the heart, the hemolymph is directly it is going to all the tissues. directly it is entering into the body cavity, and all these particular body tissues, they're like breathing, sorry, they're like bathing in that particular body fluid. Whereas closed में ऐसा नहीं है. From the heart it is entering into the blood vessels. By the blood vessels the blood it goes to the tissues. Okay, hemolymph is directly contact with the organs. That's perfect. This is called perfect answer. Yes, Sneha, hemolymph is directly it is reaching the tissues, but closed में by the blood vessels it is reaching the tissues. This is called perfect answer. This is the reason why it is called as open type of circulatory system, it is called as closed type of circulatory system. Understood बच्चों? बच्चों पॉइंट नंबर 1, सर कॉन्फिडेंटली अंडरस्टूड, आप टेंशन ही मत लो. बाप रे, हिंदी मुझे पता नहीं बच्चों, आई कैन स्पीक थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी, बट आई कांट रीड. मुझे आई यू नो ना, आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम व्हाट आंध्र. मुझे हिंदी पढ़ना पता नहीं. समवेयर आई कैन स्पीक, बट थोड़ा थोड़ा मैनेज कर सकते हैं. यस, आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम साउथ. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. सॉरी, क्या आपको पता नहीं ना, आप खुद ही तो नहीं किया ना बेटा. ओके, कैन आई कॉन्फिडेंटली टेक द सेकंड पॉइंट? बच्चों सर आप टेंशन ही मत लो, पॉइंट नंबर 1 हमको समझ में आया, सेकंड पॉइंट आराम से टेक, है ना. ओके, यू आर टेलिंग एस मतलब ओके, एस. नाउ हीमोलिम्फ इट गो वेरी स्लो, इट विल फ्लो, इट विल फ्लोट, बट उसको फ्लोटिंग कैसे होता है ना, थोड़ा स्लो रहेगा मेरा जैसे. ओके, सच में बच्चों आई एम रियली स्लो बेसिकली, इसलिए सबका सिलेबस होने के बाद ही मेरे सिलेबस खत्म होता है. आई एम बेसिकली बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट एवरी वन टू अंडरस्टैंड, इसलिए क्या होता है ना, मैं रिपीट बार बार रिपीट करेगा, इसलिए आई एम लिटिल स्लो ओनली. ओके, सो लाइक दैट मेरा जैसे हीमोलिम्फ फ्लो है ना, इट विल बी वेरी स्लो, बट ब्लड इट विल फ्लो वेरी फास्ट. Understanding it? Whereas the hemolymph directly to flow in the body cavity by some open spaces called as sinuses. Understanding it? Open spaces, open gates called as what? Sinuses. Whereas here it will be flowing very fast by a closed spaces called as what? Blood vessels, like arteries, veins and also capillaries जैसे. Understood बच्चों? सेकंड पॉइंट समझ में ना, सच बोलना है. सेकंड पॉइंट समझ में ना, और एक बार बोलो. ओके, वेरी इजी ओनली, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ द थर्ड पॉइंट, सर इन कॉकरोच डज नो नो नो, कॉकरोच में वेजल्स नहीं रहेगा बेटा. दैट्स व्हाई कॉकरोच इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल फॉर ओपन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. ओनली वन वेजल इज देयर, दैट इज डोर्सल ब्लड वेजल. एक ही ब्लड वेजल रहेगा, दैट इज डोर्सल ब्लड वेजल. ओके, दैट्स इट. पूरा बॉडी में वन ब्लड वेजल इज प्रेजेंट, that is a dorsal blood vessel. Whereas हमारा बॉडी में dorsal blood vessel will be there and ventral blood vessel. That means इधर भी एक blood vessel is there and इधर भी एक blood vessel is there. And that blood vessels are converted into what? Again they are divided into arteries, veins and capillaries. बाप रे, so many branches are there. But ऐसा नहीं रहेगा बच्चों. In open type of circulatory system में एक ही blood vessel, that is nothing but dorsal blood vessel. Okay बेटा, समझ में ना सार्थक? yes, very good. Whereas देखो, in this open type of circulatory system में बॉडी का अंदर some fluids will be there, they are called as interstitial fluids. बॉडी का अंदर क्या fluids will be there बच्चों? interstitial fluids. इसमें there is no difference between the hemolymph and also interstitial fluid, सब खिचड़ी हो जाएगा. but whereas here हमारा बॉडी में the blood it is flowing in the blood vessels, that's why हमारा body fluids and also blood दोनों को properly differentiation can be seen. Understood बच्चों? So this is the third difference. Whereas I already told you fourth difference, इसमें what you only one blood vessel is present, that is dorsal blood vessel. But here हमारा body में dorsal also present and also ventral is also present. Okay बच्चों, and they are subdivided into arteries and what you arteries and also veins and also capillaries जैसे it will divide. Okay बच्चों, whereas in this nutrients are exchanged directly, that means food directly exchanges between the tissues, whereas here nutrients are not exchanged directly. Understand it? It takes place through what? Blood. Whereas here no respiratory pigments are present, that's why the blood is colorless. For example हमारा बॉडी में ब्लड में हीमोग्लोबिन is present, that's why हमारा बॉडी का blood is what? Red in color, and it also helps in the transport of the gases like oxygen and also carbon dioxide. Okay, and the volume of the blood production can't be controlled, whereas here the volume of the blood can be controlled. That's why the heart it undergoes lub dub. Okay बच्चों, ऐसा कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं कितना अमाउंट ऑफ द ब्लड इट हैज टू गो इनटू द हार्ट, कितना परसेंटेज हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, इधर हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. अंडरस्टूड बच्चों. वेयर एज एग्जांपल्स आर व्हाट, मोलस्कन्स एंड आल्सो आर्थ्रोपोड्स, एंड वेयर एज हियर एनालिड्स, ऑल द वर्टिब्रेट्स लाइक ह्यूमंस, कैट्स, डॉग्स, एवरीथिंग. दिस आर द एग्जांपल फॉर द open and closed type of circulatory system. Okay children, any confusions are there in this? Please ask bachcho, any confusions you ask, otherwise I'll leave. बच्चों एनी कंफ्यूजन? सर मैं हेमोलिम्फेटिस, यस ये की खिचड़ी हो जाएगा, बट हमारा बॉडी में ऐसा नहीं, बिकॉज ब्लड वेसल्स आर देयर ना. सो हमारा सेल का बीच में वर्टिकल फ्लूइड एंड आल्सो द ब्लड, दोनों दे विल बी सेपरेटेड. ओके स्नेहा? यस. और कुछ एनी डाउट्स आर देयर बच्चों? ओपन टाइप ऑफ सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम एंड क्लोज्ड टाइप ऑफ सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. बच्चों वन थिंग लेट मी टेल यू, आप पढ़ रहे हैं ना, व्हेन यू आर रीडिंग आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आएगा तो तुरंत मुझे टाइप करो. आफ्टर 4:30 में फ्री हो जाएगा ना, 4:30 के बाद मैं सबको आंसर देते हैं. सर मैं पढ़ाई करने टाइम में मुझे कुछ डाउट्स आया, भेज दो मुझे, द डाउट भेज दो. 4:30 में क्लास खत्म हो जाएगा इवनिंग, शाम 4:30 के बाद मैं आपको सबको आंसर्स देता है. ओके चिल्ड्रन? सो हम ग्रुप क्रिएट किया जस्ट टू डिस्कस विथ ईच अदर. सो आपको कुछ डाउट्स है तो यू प्लीज सेंड, आई विल आंसर. But after 4:30, because sir why after 4:30? Because till 4:30 I have classes only ना. How to answer? क्लास का बीच में छोड़ के आंसर नहीं दे सकते हैं ना, इसलिए. Okay children, with this criteria of classification is done. Okay, can I take leave बच्चों, or you wanted to say something? Can I leave? Thank you. Okay, bye. Bye.